What if a chatbot could write your business plan? I tried it with ChatGPT, and the results were surprising. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create a comprehensive business plan, including templates and examples. As an entrepreneur, creating a business plan can be a daunting task. It requires a lot of research, analysis, and writing. But what if you could use AI to make the process easier and faster? In this video, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT to create a business plan. We'll cover the benefits of using AI for business planning, how to get started with ChatGPT, and provide a step-by-step guide to creating a comprehensive business plan. The first step in using ChatGPT for business planning is to understand the benefits of AI-powered planning. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, conduct market research, and create a comprehensive business plan outline. It can also help you identify potential pitfalls and opportunities and provide suggestions for improvement. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a ChatGPT account and familiarize yourself with the interface. Once you're logged in, you can start by asking ChatGPT to generate a business plan outline for your specific business idea. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create a plan for a new e-commerce store or a consulting service. ChatGPT will provide you with a basic outline that you can then customize and expand upon. Once you have your business plan outline, you can start filling in the details. ChatGPT can help you with this process by providing suggestions and ideas for each section of the plan. For example, if you're writing the market analysis section, you can ask ChatGPT to provide information on your target market, including demographics, needs, and trends. ChatGPT can also help you identify your competitors and provide suggestions for differentiating your business. To use ChatGPT for market research, you can ask it to provide data and statistics on your industry, or to summarize recent news articles and trends. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate a SWOT analysis, which can help you identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for your business. Another way to use ChatGPT for business planning is to generate financial projections. ChatGPT can help you create a comprehensive financial plan, including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow projections. To use ChatGPT for financial planning, you can ask it to generate a financial plan template and then fill in the details based on your business's specific needs and goals. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create a plan that assumes a certain level of revenue growth or that takes into account specific expenses and costs. ChatGPT can also help you identify potential financial risks and provide suggestions for mitigating them. To use ChatGPT for financial risk analysis, you can ask it to identify potential risks and provide suggestions for managing them, such as creating a contingency plan or diversifying your revenue streams. In addition to generating financial projections, ChatGPT can also help you create a marketing plan. ChatGPT can provide suggestions for marketing channels, such as social media or content marketing, and help you develop a content strategy. To use ChatGPT for marketing planning, you can ask it to generate a marketing plan template and then fill in the details based on your business's specific needs and goals. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create a plan that focuses on Instagram marketing or that includes a specific content calendar. ChatGPT can also help you identify potential marketing risks and provide suggestions for mitigating them, such as creating a crisis communications plan or developing a brand style guide. One of the most powerful features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate text based on a prompt. This means that you can use ChatGPT to generate large sections of your business plan, such as the executive summary or the company description. To use ChatGPT for text generation, you can ask it to generate a specific section of the plan and then review and edit the output. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to generate an executive summary that includes a brief overview of your business, its mission and vision, and its goals and objectives. ChatGPT can also help you generate a company description that includes information about your business's history, products or services, and target market. Another way to use ChatGPT for business planning is to get feedback on your plan. ChatGPT can provide suggestions and ideas for improving your plan and help you identify potential weaknesses and areas for improvement. To use ChatGPT for feedback, you can ask it to review your plan and provide feedback, where you can ask it to generate a list of questions to consider when evaluating your plan. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to review your plan and provide suggestions for improving the market analysis section, where you can ask it to generate a list of questions to consider when evaluating your financial projections. ChatGPT can also help you identify potential risks and provide suggestions for mitigating them, such as creating a contingency plan or developing a risk management strategy. In addition to providing feedback on your plan, ChatGPT can also help you create a pitch deck. A pitch deck is a brief presentation that summarizes your business plan and is used to pitch your business to investors or other stakeholders. To use ChatGPT to create a pitch deck, you can ask it to generate a template and then fill in the details based on your business's specific needs and goals. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create a pitch deck that includes a brief overview of your business, its mission and vision, and its goals and objectives. ChatGPT can also help you generate slides that include information about your target market, financial projections, and marketing strategy. Finally, it's worth noting that ChatGPT is not a replacement for human judgment and expertise. While ChatGPT can provide valuable insights and suggestions, it's ultimately up to you to review and edit the output to ensure that it aligns with your business's specific needs and goals. To get the most out of ChatGPT, it's also important to provide clear and specific prompts, and to review and refine the output based on your feedback. By using ChatGPT in conjunction with your own expertise and judgment, you can create a comprehensive and effective business plan that helps you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about using ChatGPT for business planning, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our next video on using AI for marketing strategy. Don't forget to like and comment below with your questions and feedback.